Hey guys, welcome back to another video in which we're going to learn French. Today we're going to learn body parts in French, so let's go ahead and start right now.
Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à French
Bonjour à tous.
with Alicia.
À tous.
Today I would like to talk to you about different parts of the body and some common and useful expressions that we use with the different parts of the body. So we'll start with la tête.
La tête, the head.
That is the whole thing.
La
Et
tête.
le visage is just your face.
Le visage, the
La
face. I thought it was like the vision.
Le visage,
Le visage.
le front,
Le front. Forehead. Le front.
les yeux,
Les yeux. What? Les yeux.
les yeux.
Les
It
yeux.
starts with Y, E-U-X. You pronounce just like a closed E. Les yeux.
Les yeux.
And
Les yeux.
it's pretty irregular. You talk about one eye saying un œil, un œil,
An œil. What? An œil.
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 So it's like closed E
Œil.
and the sound y.
Œil.
Un œil,
Un œil.
deux yeux.
Deux yeux.
Les cils,
Les cils.
eyelashes,
The
cils.
eyelashes. Damn. Les cils.
les sourcils,
Le sourcil.
le nez.
Le
Le
nez.
nez is written
Le nez is like the nose.
N-E-Z
Le nez.
and you just pronounce nez. The
Nez.
Z is completely mute at the end.
Okay.
Le nez.
Le nez.
Les joues,
Les joues.
les joues,
Les joues. The cheeks.
written ES at the end, that you do not pronounce.
Les joues.
La bouche,
La bouche.
the mouth.
La
La
bouche.
bouche,
La bouche. Your mouth. La bouche.
les lèvres.
Les lèvres.
You might have read on a lipstick sometimes if it's a French brand, rouge à lèvres,
Rouge à lèvres.
means lipstick.
Rouge à lèvres.
Les dents,
Les dents.
les dents,
Les dents.
teeth.
Les teeth.
La langue,
La langue.
your tongue. La langue
La langue.
is a nasal sound. En, la langue.
La langue.
Final E that you do not hear.
La langue.
Le menton,
Le menton.
chin. Le menton,
Le menton.
les oreilles.
Les oreilles.
Les oreilles.
Les oreilles.
It's the French R
Uh,
and the final Y. Les oreilles.
Les oreilles. Les oreilles. Les oreilles.
So la tête,
La tête.
le visage,
Le visage.
le front,
Le front.
les sourcils,
Les sourcils.
les cils,
Les cils. Your eyelashes.
un œil,
Un œil.
les yeux,
Les yeux.
le nez,
Le nez.
les joues,
Les joues. The cheeks.
la bouche,
La bouche.
les dents,
Les dents.
la langue,
La langue.
le menton.
Le menton.
Right. If we keep going down, we have le cou,
Le cou.
and behind is la nuque.
La nuque.
Le cou,
Nuque. What?
ou sound, la nuque,
La nuque.
closed U.
La nuque.
La nuque.
La nuque. The back of the neck. Wow.
Les épaules,
Les épaules.
shoulders.
Les
Les
épaules.
épaules.
Les épaules.
Le dos,
Le dos.
written D-O-S,
Le dos.
pronounced do.
Le dos.
La poitrine.
La
That
poitrine.
works
La
for
poitrine.
male and female.
Damn, that's hard.
It's just the breast, the
La-
chest, maybe you would say. Chest.
La poitrine.
So la poitrine.
La poitrine. La poitrine. Ah!
Le ventre,
Le ventre. Le ventre.
stomach.
Le
Le
ventre.
ventre.
Le ventre. Entre. Le ventre. Ah! That's cool. Le ventre.
Les fesses.
Les fesses.
It's behind. Les fesses.
Les fesses. Ah! Les fesses.
Les jambes.
Les jambes. Les
Maybe we
jambes.
cut the legs in two. And I give you les cuisses.
Les cuisses.
Les cuisses, your thigh.
Your thigh.
And down are les mollets.
Les mollets. Ah, your calves.
So les jambes.
Les
It's a
jambes.
feminine word.
Les jambes.
So you would talk about une jambe.
Une
If
jambe.
it's definite. La jambe.
La jambe.
And then les cuisses.
Les cuisses. Les cuisses.
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 Closed U.
Cuisses. Cuisses.
Les mollets.
Les mollets. Les mollets. The
The
calves.
ankle. La cheville.
La
Une
cheville.
cheville.
Une,
It's a feminine
une
word as well.
cheville. Cheville.
La cheville.
La cheville. Cheville. La cheville.
Les pieds.
les pieds, les pieds, les pieds,
Le pied, les pieds.
les pieds,
Foot, feet. Just foot, final S. But
les
it's
pieds,
regular
les
for us.
pieds, les pieds, les
And toes, orteil.
orteils,
Un orteil,
un orteil,
les orteils.
les orteils, les orteils, les orteils, the tools, the tools, the toes. Oh my god.
If I go up again, we need les bras,
Les bras, les bras, les
Les
bras,
bras.
les bras, les bras,
un bras,
un bras,
deux bras,
deux bras,
always written with final S that you do not hear.
un bras, deux bras,
Le poignet, that's your wrist.
le poignet, le poignet, le poignet,
Le coude,
le coude,
the
le coude,
elbow.
le
Le
coude,
coude,
le coude,
C-O-U-D-E.
le coude, what?
The E is mute again.
Le
coude.
coude, le coude, le coude,
I said before l'épaule.
l'épaule,
Épaule, coude,
coude,
poignet,
poignet,
le bras,
le bras,
la main,
la main, la
Nasal.
main,
la main,
la main,
written M-A-I-N.
la main,
La main,
la
féminine.
main, la
Une
main, une main,
Un pied,
un pied,
masculine, une main,
une main,
féminine.
un pied, une main.
Les doigts,
Les doigts, les doigts, les doigts, the fingers,
les ongles,
les ongles, les ongles,
nails.
les,
Les ongles,
les
nasal.
ongles, les ongles,
Ongles,
les ongles,
les ongles.
les ongles, les
Nail
ongles,
polish, vernis à ongles.
vernis à ongles, vernis à
Right.
ongles.
I said before I would like to give you some very common and useful, it depends, but common certainly expressions with the different parts
I
of
love
the
this
body.
class, man.
For example, with eyes, there is one I like that says to have eyes bigger than your stomach. That's basically when you feel like you're going to be eating a million things and then you cannot eat half of them. We say tu as,
Tu as,
you've got. Tu as les yeux
tu as les yeux
plus grands.
plus
That's a
gros,
comparative and we'll see that in a couple of lessons.
plus gros
Plus grand,
Plus gros.
bigger que le ventre,
que le ventre,
than your stomach.
que le ventre.
Tu as les yeux plus grands que le ventre.
Tu as les yeux plus grands que le ventre. That's
With
bad.
ears, les oreilles.
Les oreilles, les
We
oreilles.
say sometimes if you are talking to someone about confidential things, but you think that someone is listening, and you say careful because the walls have ears. That means you should
Oh,
be
the walls have ears.
very discreet if you want to talk about that because we might have someone overhearing
Good idiom.
our private conversation. And I would say, attention,
Attention.
careful, les murs ont des oreilles.
Les murs ont des
Les
oreilles.
murs ont des oreilles.
Les murs des oreilles. Les murs des oreilles.
With head, I
Les
talked
murs
about
ont
head
des
before.
oreilles.
So we have both, very different. One means that you are very down to earth, and we say avoir la tête sur les épaules.
Avoir la tête solide, pure. Yeah. Ouais.
So your head is well put on your shoulders. That means that you're a very rational person, very organized, down to earth.
Mm.
Il ou elle
That's not
Et-
my case, by the way, but yeah, whatever.
a la tête sur les épaules.
La tête sur les
The
épaules.
opposite expression would be il ou elle a la tête dans les nuages.
Elle a la tête dans les nuages. Her head in the clouds. That describes me.
In the clouds. Elle a la tête dans les nuages.
Elle a la tête dans les
She's
nuages.
easily distracted.
Nuages.
She's daydreaming. She forgets things. Or he, of course. Pied. There's a funny one with pied that we use especially with kids when they're getting
ADHD.
a little bit annoying. You say, you're breaking my feet. And that means you're getting on my nerves.
Mm.
So you would say, tu me casses les pieds.
Tu
You're
me,
very annoying.
tu me casses les pieds.
Tu me
Tu me
casses.
casses,
That's to break.
casses
Les pieds.
les pieds.
Tu me casses les pieds.
Tu me casses les pieds.
And maybe one last, we say, if you want your, for example, a business to become more popular and people to talk about it, you say that it will become more important thanks to, literally it means like mouth to ear. If we use the mouth to ear, we will make our business or this thing, doesn't have to be a business, more popular. So we say, ça marche, it works, thanks to, grâce
It works by word of mouth. Ça marche grâce
bouche à
à la bouche.
oreille.
à
So
l'o-
it's me talking to
Oreille.
grâce aux bouches
Grâce aux bouches.
à oreille.
À
So
oreille.
it's me talking to a friend about that thing, and then he will do the same, he will do the same. And this expression is called du bouche à oreille.
Bouche à oreille.
There is not like an official advertising
Bouche
about
à
something.
oreille,
It's
bouche
just
à
you
oreille.
talking to friends. I'm sure there's an expression in English for that, but I cannot think of it right now. I will give
I don't know
you
that too.
more at some point. Expression very, very, I think, useful, common, but also that you might hear very often because French people use a lot of expression. A lot. We have a lot with animals. We have a lot with colors. We have a lot with parts of the body. So when I will teach you colors, animals, and as I did today, part of the body, I will try to put it also in a more informal context and not only give you like the body parts. I hope that was useful and enough for today. If you have any questions,
That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this class. That was it. I appreciated this class. Actually, so far, that's my favorite class because of learning body parts is like the easiest for me. Usually because it's body parts and it's essential and it's something that it's pretty much on our daily basis because we're talking about our body. But that was the class. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can like it. I hope you liked it. And if you have any suggestions or anything, let me know. And let's keep on studying and improving. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.